What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. All right, so today we're going to talk about the October Nomadik Box. Now, if you are unfamiliar with Nomadik, Nomadik is a subscription service. You sign up for 1, 6, or 12 months, and you get these boxes in the mail every single month. I paid for a 6-month subscription. After that, Nomadik did start sending me some boxes to go over with you guys early to give you an insight as to what comes in these boxes. So, disclaimer, I did not pay for this box. Nomadik did send it to me to open up for you guys. So, prices for Nomadik. If you do 1 month, it's $32.95. If you do 6 months, it drops it down to $31.25 per box. And if you do 12 months, it drops it down to $29.99 per month. Now, something cool about Nomadik, they have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is if you open this box and there's something in here that is broken, damaged, does not work, or you already have it, you reach out to Nomadik and they will send you a replacement item. I know this for a fact works because I have done that. I had a portable charger that came in. It did not work. It would not charge up. I reached out to Nomadik. They sent me a brand new one, and there you go. All right, so let's get into this thing. So what we're going to use today is the Kershaw PT1. I did a review of this not too long ago. I'll put a card up top. You can get that and check that video out. It's a little EDC keychain tool with a bottle opener, a pry bar, screwdriver. So let's get into this box. Put that. All right, so let's see. All right, so we have our pamphlet. Our pamphlet is always themed. Each month has a theme. This is outdoor dining. So in the pamphlet, we have a list of our items. So it looks like we have 4 items. There's a Nomadik challenge, which is good for a month. So you got till the end of November for that. And we got some brand discounts, usually for things that are in this box. And it has a link to the shop, which I have a link to Nomadik in the description below. You can get over there and you can buy some of the items that come in the boxes without having to do a subscription. So let's see what we have in here. We'll keep our pamphlet handy in case we need it. So let's grab, all right, so, okay. The Yuko Switch Spork Utensil Kit. Check that out. So it all fits together, and you've got a knife on the other end of the spoon, and then if you can see in there, you've got a spork on the other side. So it all fits together really nicely. I like that. Lifetime warranty, 4-in-1 fork, spoon, knife, and long utensil. So if you see the picture, you can slide it out or flip it around, and you have a long one to reach into those ready-to-eat meals that you can put water in and use. It also has this tether right here. It says, keep your kit and its contents secure or hang to dry using the multifunctional shock cord. Weighs in at 1 ounce, dishwasher safe, FDA food safe, BPA free, and something else free. Really cool. I like that. That will definitely get thrown in my pack. So let's see what else we have. It said we have 4 things, and I see 3. So what is number 4? Okay. So a meal plan. So this is it free? I guess, I don't know. So you get this little card. It's got redeem and a password, and you go to Montwa Boca, and you get 3-day, 2-night Redwoods meal plan. This is a redemption card. I'm not going to turn it around because somebody might try to take my meal plan. What's in the plan? All recipes needed for your trip, plus organized shopping list. 10 ingredients or less, ready in 30 minutes. No prep, no dehydrating, no pre-prep, no dehydrating. All recipes use fresh, real ingredients. So check that out. All right, let's see. All right, what is this? Flex Bowl. Let's get into this. Flex Bowl. Crush it, fold it, stuff it, pack it, go. So a silicone bowl, and it looks like you can fold this down and make a small bowl. kind of hard to do with the back. There you go. So you have a small bowl, a little more rigid, or you can pull this up and have a larger bowl. It does have measurement markings on the inside, cups on one side and milliliters on the other. Is that the only two? This is pretty cool. This is very, very useful, very, very handy. Flex bowl from Human Gear, 24 fluid ounce, 700 milliliter, or actually 3 cups. 3 cups is the very top when it's opened up. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That will definitely be going in my pack. This is a pretty good box. There's our sticker this month. And last but not least, what do we have? We have the Strata Stove from Ace Camp. So we have an actual camp stove. Let's see, 3.15 inches tall, 1.89 inches wide, folded, weighs in at 3.4 ounces. It is aluminum, magnesium, alloy, stainless steel, and brass. You can use butane, propane mix, and it does have a storage pouch. So there's our storage pouch. Let's get in and check this little guy out. Okay, so I've got one kind of similar. You can flip these over for a bigger pot, or if you've got a smaller pot, you can just close them down. And you've got a click igniter. So yeah, you just screw your fuel canister on the bottom, turn this valve to open it up, and hit that igniter button, and you can cook. So I love these little stoves. I love them. I've got one similar to this, and it is just absolutely amazing. I use it all the time. And yeah, great. You cannot go wrong with these. Sometimes they're a little pricey. Sometimes you can find an inexpensive one, but this one I'll have to check out and see what the price range is on Ace Camp. I'm not 100% sure. If you guys know, drop it in the comments. I'll try to put it in the description below. I'll try to look this specific one up. Let's get it back in the carry bag. Well, that is it for the the October box. Pretty good box. Theme on this is outdoor dining. They pretty much give you everything you need other than food and fuel, and you're ready to rock and roll. So check out Nomadik if you are so interested. Check out Nomadik, and link will be in the description below. I'll try to get some prices on some of these items to put them in the description. I try every month. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Time is sometimes of the essence. Yeah, check out Nomadik, and that's all I've got. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.